How to restore your lost tabs on Google Chrome. If you wish to restore your lost tabs on Google Chrome, it's actually rather quite very simple for us to do so. What we have to do for this is we have to simply go ahead and open up our Google Chrome browser. Maybe your computer got shut down or accidentally anything happened, and then you want to go ahead and then just figure out your lost tabs and to recover them. Now to do that, if it is not loading by default, once you open up your Chrome, click the three dots icon from the top right and hover over to the history section. Under history, you'll find all of the recent tabs right here. So you'll see all the recent tabs that you had with your particular device, or you can also press basically Shift Command T if you're using on your macOS. So Shift Command T will also help you restore those lost tabs as well. And this is the way on how you should be able to recover your lost tabs, and I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.